So whatever you make something mean is what it means, right? So a piece of paper is just a piece of paper until you make it a symbol of the universe. Okay. So how we do that is we rub our hands together. And if you have a piece of paper in front of you, first of all, you make a ball. They teach this in Qigong. The person who initiated me as a Reiki master taught me how to do this too. You scoop energy and you cannot, right? And then you start to feel this thing push back. Do you feel that? Like a subtle
Yeah.
push? Okay. So now you're feeling energy, right? You can't unfeel this, right? So you know that there's something here. And what we're going to do is this energy is going to initiate your paper. So you're going to hover your hands about an inch above your piece of paper. And you're going to say, as I place this energy on this paper, the paper now represents, it is a
Mm.
symbol of the field of potential, the conscious universe. So this piece of paper now represents a whole universe. Now, when you've done that, you'll feel a temperature difference, and you'll start to notice that the paper looks a bit weird. Like you're going to go, ooh, that's kind of like, it does something strange. Did I really see that? I don't know, right? That's what will happen. Then you place a dot in the center of the paper. Hang on. I didn't know we were
We're
going
going
to
to
do.
do this with you. We're doing
Yeah.
it. We're
Yeah.
doing
Hang
this.
on a
It's
sec.
so fun.
Okay. So I wasn't planning on doing this today, but we're going to do it.
We're
Okay.
doing
So
it.
I'm doing it. So I'm going to do this. Okay. So now, but we make it sacred. Like this paper represents the universe. My intention is this dot. All we're doing right now is your intention is to be grateful. Now, not to be grateful for anything specific that you have, but the experience of gratitude. Every one of us has a sense memory of that, or if you've ever had a baby, the first time you set eyes on your baby and you're in awe, like that came out of you, oh my God, you're like, oh wow, you look at the lock eyes with this baby. That's the feeling I'm talking about. I
Mm.
get that when I've rescued a dog, right? So when I've taken in a little dog and I look at them, I'm like, oh my God, I know this is it. Boy, here we go. And I have this feeling of complete and absolute awe because I couldn't have made this happen. This is a total synchronicity, this being that I have in front of me. Now, yours might be that you had your first job, that you got out of the house and you left a traumatic situation. You feel free. That could be yours. Everybody has one experience. So I don't want you to think about the baby or the dog or the thing. I want you to feel the feeling state. Remember how that feels. So the body's going to remember that. So you're just like, wow, oh boy, I remember this.